Why tech habits matter for sleep.
The way we use technology at night can greatly affect our sleep quality. Exposure to screens and digital activity close to bedtime can disrupt healthy sleep cycles. By adjusting our tech behaviors, we can create a more restful bedtime environment that supports both body and mind. Let's explore mindful tech habits to make winding down easier and sleeping better a nightly reality.
Set a digital curfew.
Turning off screens at least 30 to 60 minutes before bed gives your brain time to unwind. Blue light from phones, tablets, and computers can suppress melatonin production, making it harder to fall asleep. Choose a set powered down time each night and stick to it, helping your body naturally transition toward rest and relaxation.
Curate your nighttime tech.
Not all technology use is disruptive before bed. Mindful choices can help. Opt for soothing apps such as guided meditations, calming music, or white noise instead of social media or news. Avoid content that's stressful, exciting, or overly stimulating. By carefully selecting what you use, you can create a supportive bedtime routine.
Create a sleep-friendly space.
Your bedroom should be a place for rest, not for constant connectivity. Keep devices out of the bedroom when possible, or use settings like Do Not Disturb and night shift modes to reduce interruptions. Charging devices outside the room can help resist the urge to check them during the night, fostering a strong association between your bed and sleep.
Replace scrolling with soothing rituals.
Swap late-night scrolling for calming, tech-free activities. Reading a physical book, journaling, gentle stretching, or mindful breathing can ease tension. These habits train your body to recognize bedtime cues and make it easier to fall asleep naturally, without the interference of digital stimulation.
Mindful reflection and consistency.
Notice how you feel after adjusting your tech habits each night. Reflect on your energy and mood in the morning. Consistency is key. Integrating these mindful practices into your routine will gradually make better sleep more attainable. By becoming more aware of your digital choices, you can transform both your nights and your well-being.